Most English learners make the same mistake. They learn words, but they don't know how to actually use them in real life. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you common adjectives, but more importantly, I'll show you how to think with them, not just memorize them. Let's start. Part 1. Opposites. This is how natives learn faster. Instead of learning one word, learn two together. First pair, good versus bad. We use good for something positive. This is a good movie. But for something negative, we switch to bad. That's a bad idea. If the weather is terrible, do you say good or bad? Right. Bad weather. Next. Big versus small. Big means large. A big house. Small is the opposite. A small apartment. Here's the trick. Native speakers constantly compare things. So, instead of saying, it's a house, say, it's a small house or a big house. That's how you sound natural. Part 2. Feelings. Use these daily. Now, let's talk about emotions. Happy versus sad. I'm happy means you feel good. I'm sad means you feel down. But here's what learners miss. Native speakers don't just say, I'm happy. They say, I'm really happy today. I'm a bit sad. So always think, can I add more detail? Part 3. Difficulty. Very useful in conversation. Easy versus hard. This is easy. Or, this is hard. But in real conversations, you'll hear, it's kind of hard. It's really easy. So don't just learn the word, learn how to soften or strengthen it. Part 4. Speed and time. Fast versus slow. He drives fast. This process is slow. Quick tip for actions used with verbs. Run fast. Work slow. Early versus late. I arrived early. I'm late. These are used every day, especially for work, school, meetings. Part 5. Describing things around you. Hot versus cold. It's hot. It's cold. Clean versus dirty. The room is clean. The floor is dirty. Quick challenge. Describe your day using 3 adjectives from this video. Pause and try. Part 6. Real-life useful words. Busy versus free. I'm busy. I'm free. You'll use this constantly when making plans. Right versus wrong. You're right. That's wrong. Super important in conversations and discussions. Possible versus impossible. It's possible. That's impossible. Great for expressing opinions. Part 7. Advanced natural usage. Now here's what makes you sound fluent. Combine adjectives. Instead of a big house, say a big, beautiful house. Instead of a bad day, say a really bad long day. This is how natives speak. Don't try to memorize all 50 words at once. Instead, pick 5 adjectives. Use them today. Speak with them. Write with them. That's how you improve. If you want more lessons like this, subscribe and tell me, which adjective did you actually use today? See you in the next lesson.